Hello guys, this is Ghana Boy in. If it's the first time on this channel, click on the subscription button, click on the bell notification as well, and make sure you stay active as to what is going on in Ghana, my country, and the world in general. Guys, for some time now, you all know how there's been so much complaints of the rampant, drug trafficking, prostitutes, and how Ghana is gradually becoming a safe haven for criminals, prostitutes, and so many illegal activities. So many cries has been cried, and today something magnificent is happening in Kumasi, in Asafo Kumasi, behind the cocoa board in Kumasi, and several areas in Kumasi to be precise. Where else? The mayor of Kumasi, King Zuba. When you go to Kumasi now, the name everybody is mentioning is King Zuba. King Zuba. King Zuba. King Zuba, who is the current mayor in Kumasi, has been doing a good job and has taken it upon himself that these areas where you have these, criminals, drug traffickers, prostitutes from other West African countries harboring themselves there and doing illegal activities has to be demolished. And today, as we speak, there's been a huge demolition in those areas. Everything has gone down to Drobe. People were saying things like, God bless King Zuba. Thank you so much, King Zuba. Thank you for the good work. This is the time. This is the time to protect the future of Ghana and the future kids of Ghana. And we hope other mayors from other regions in Ghana as well will step their foot on grounds and also replicate what King Zuba is doing to make sure these things are going to stop in our country, Ghana. Mind you, the people that have been evicted in Kumasi due to prostitution, due to drugs, or due to whatever, they are going to turn their eyes or they are going to turn their location to a different place in Accra. So to others in other regions in Ghana, this is the time for you all to step on your feet. This is the time for you all to charge your various mayors in Accra, the Greater Accra mayor, Mr. Michael Pakwalote. We wish you are watching and you are seeing what your colleague mayor is doing in Kumasi. These people that have been moved from these various hideouts and locations, prostitutes, drug traffickers, and whatever, they are all going to start coming to Accra and various regions. So if everyone is not going to, at this point, get themselves together and also do same as the Kumasi mayor is doing, they are going to come here and they are going to settle in various regions in the country. And the same way, when one region also wants to do it, they will move to the next region. So my humble plea is to the mayors in several regions in the country. Please don't leave your colleague Mayor King Zuba in Kumasi alone to be doing this. This is the time this has to cut across the whole country so that the future generations of this nation will be protected. So that Ghana, a country with good morals, Ghana has always been a country where everyone will tell you that Ghanaians were trained. Ghanaians are having good morals. But in recent times, what are we seeing? We are seeing the youth unaliving each other due to drugs. We are seeing the youth contacting several STDs, diseases, due to these prostitutes that are being splitted all over the country. King Zuba, God bless you so much. Guys, I'm not going to say much. I'm going to leave you to enjoy and watch some of the videos that is currently coming from Kumasi on this demolition exercise, which is currently being going on. A few days ago, we saw how some youth also in Accra tried their possible best to raise an awareness and dismantle some of these places, which is also being used as hideouts for criminals, drug traffickers, and prostitutes in Accra. Unfortunately, my own fellow Accra people and Ghana people started saying things like, you don't just sack people like that. You have to give them a permission. You have to serve them a notice. Even though they are there illegal, someone gave them the place to be there. So you have to serve them notice. King Zuba didn't serve anyone notice. King Zuba didn't come and tell. King Zuba made sure he went there with the team and did what they are supposed to do for the nation. So, Greater Accra region, the capital city, when you go to places like Kaswa, Dakuma, Nungwa, Accra Newtown, Spintex, Tema, La Paz, Pokwase, Circle, Caprice, Kwabenya, Kaswa, Teshi, Nungwa, everywhere in Greater Accra has such places which is harboring criminals, harboring drug traffickers and prostitutes from other West African countries.
Hey, go! 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 You think you are joking in your head? That's what it is. Let's go. Let's go. Get fast.
So these areas you see here were all occupied by prostitutes from several West African countries in Ghana, and as well drug traffickers. You know, the illegalities that was going on here was something uncalled for. And for so long, a lot of question is being asked that, do we have leaders in this country? Do we have authorities? Do we have people protecting the future and the good image of the younger generations?
Asemaba abusia me na ka say me gina asafo aha ye cocoa board echi honom ye last week na ye Kumasi mayo ye onabo kinzuba odi dwumadi ebisi na ni so say ye aha no hwa ye kronobo ene etutura asema do so ento pese wo clear ha na ekire atimi den down because government property there wa onim cocoa board office na wa hwe ne me ko boys num wi omu hye ya onpene na mo baaye no boys no so yo madwen so emazuba ye den atibi ahua omo bobo ba na zuba na aka no no ama no warning so beba unexpected ampa ye Kumasi mayo de say den ayoyo enem no ka say demolition exercise in the ekoso na Kumasi mayo na wa mpeza mutina no asem ona bo kinzuba ye Asemaba media for show na omo say adwuma wo bowo ye asantemamu ano ebitwem na ja dwumadi ye ekoso e ba ne sen e na ekosi sen
the ye media Ghana for Ediasuma, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. No, I'm name Yamam. Say, Midra name near Shady Bogana for Serebea, Ubia bit me Timituma, if upon a phone and how much. na aha ha no mfe no baya kaso obi o Kumasi bia wote baya kaso a no be ekoso baya kaso I am a haven for all manner of criminal activity. I shall for a free other West African nations.
Mabaha.
Now, we buy over there, but the man said, and I had a deeper planning. A bonnet, I am for a walk, Kumasi. It's in Luboniton, our any bonnet, almost it is Kumasi. And then it was
na yeah honorable Kinzuba eye won say o share eye demolition site bi ase me won say yanu fo no ene nam social media e ka to obekom kura no eye Kumasi me obekom ko aton ha di be stores na honorable no krobe no
I really for us yeah by how our structures we see I don't know because that's we are bank we back Kumasi say it represent as na that's it think the sum here you na you dey budget
unto asase latia ya no for samote eye Kumasi me yo say onyo hene e na won to asase e na kro we ewura na ne de no so bebo kro no ban e ma kro no aye neat
ya arrange meeting with Ghana River 2024 yeah no mo kwa because I had na mo dia
okay
na ya ni o matras ke kwan a e be fa so asa na ye we ya abande na really for na beke no said e be ya o be for no farmer for me no ma
na honorable eye Kumasi for so ubo adwuma pa won tie de emu bi ne ye ka kire cause you monitor media 24/7 na ye honorable Kinzuba meja wa mo akọ na mmom o kasa no o say gentra for no pa mo na say ahwafo no say no so de to mo ho to je be ne dey eni asema ba samote ye ze mabo ka